Okay, so do you want the list of how bad things can go for you tonight? Well, we got the Suburban all locked and loaded here. Let's take it to the scrapyard and see if we can get the original $150 that we spent for it. So we're just kind of doing this. It's just going to be filler somewhere in a video. It's not going to be a whole video or anything like that, so don't think that. But we got all the original doors on. We're getting everything cleaned up. We had to pull the frame off. Urban Bourbon did a fantastic job. Let's head off to the scrapyard. Alrighty, guys. Well, it is official. The very first OG GoPro that I've been using is dead. So I'm in here editing and I try to pull up some of the footage, and it's going to look kind of spotty in a lot of this footage. It's going to jump from one scene to the next, to the next, to the next, because this GoPro will not turn on anymore. I'm going to plug it in overnight and try to charge it and everything, but this GoPro seems to be dead. We almost made it to 100,000 subscribers with just this GoPro. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Let's go ahead, we'll roll the footage from today, and you're gonna see me come. I'm gonna pop back up like this a couple times, and I'm gonna sort of explain what we're doing. That way you guys know and understand why it's jumping around the way it is. All right, guys, also before we kick this off, I want to say that I hope everybody has a happy and a safe Thanksgiving, and well, let's roll the footage. We are back for yet an amazing update, and I'm sure by now you guys can already tell we're cleaning things up. As you can tell, we got rid of the Urban Bourbon already this morning. We ended up getting $144 for it, which we paid $150. So how can you go wrong with that? We got good doors, we got a good hood, we sold the rear end out of it. There was a bunch of things that we sold out of that thing, and we made out really, really well, actually. So that was a good purchase. I'm okay with it. Now it's time to get the Fred's frame loaded up, and we're heading down to Danny's. That's right. Today is going to be a Fred update for you guys, and I know you guys are excited about it. I cannot wait to get this engine laid in. I don't know if we'll have enough time yet today to go ahead and lay the cab on it, you know, kind of test fit it or not, but I'm hoping we do. But without further ado, let's get Fred's frame on the truck, and we're heading down to Danny's. So if you guys don't know, Danny is slow_restoration. Definitely check him out, as you see on the screen. He's a good guy. He's been kind of helping me do some of these bigger projects because he has a lift and kind of some garage space. So let's get this frame loaded up, and we're hitting the road. Alrighty, well, it appears as if we are having our first big malfunction with this winch that we bought from Harbor Freight. Luckily, I did actually opt for the extended warranty on this thing. So I'll show you here. It doesn't matter what you do, it does not actually unspool or spool. You can see there, you turn the handle and it does nothing. Handle goes back, nothing. Yeah, I'd say let's go to Harbor Freight and see what they can do for us. All right, first thing is, that winch is a lot heavier than you guys think. So they went ahead and actually fully warrantied it. They had to make a phone call, which I did not realize, but Harbor Freight is not the actual warranty. It is actually a winch warranty itself. So they had to make a phone call. I was here for probably 20 minutes, but we ended up getting a new winch for it. We got all the accessories. They don't want any of the old stuff. And well, let's get it back home and we'll get it mounted up. Well, we got our new winch mounted, and this is actually a new design too, because the clamp for the top here is actually different, and actually a real clamp this time. The other style is definitely not this one, but let's get her winched in here. I know you guys absolutely love the giveaway. So don't forget, every dollar you spend on senditstevemerch.com, first link in the description, is an entry to win that beautifully built OBS Chevy. And as far as I know, as long as I don't drive it and rip it out right now, there is not a single lick of damage to that truck. So go head on over www.senditstevemerch.com, get your entries while it lasts. Every dollar is an entry. Let's go, we're making a mess. It's running like crazy. So at this point, as you can tell, it's definitely too dark down at Danny's place to do any recording outside, and I didn't want to pull the frame off the trailer over here, which I do have out back. So the engine is laid in on the frame. I'm sure you'll see it in an upcoming video and all that. So at this point, we just took it outside, got the engine in the frame, and then I just kind of strapped the engine in, bolted it in, and started heading back here. So I'm sorry that it ends this way or jumps around this way, but like I said, GoPro failure, guys. RIP. First GoPro, almost made 100,000 subscribers. All right, roll some more footage.
Hey there, how you doing, man? Your license, registration, your insurance, please.
Yep. I literally tried to fix the light. I couldn't.
Okay.
I got the left side went out again on my way down. Like, I can show you the connectors and everything. I just put them on, and
it's all good. Where are you headed?
my house.
Well, obviously, you know why you're being stopped. I'll get you out of here in a second, all right?
Yeah, if you look, like, in between the right wheels, I had a blowout. That's why there's 4 brand new tires on it.
Okay.
So it just, there's got to be more pinches somewhere in the wiring. So.
All right. Yeah. The other thing is your trailer needs fenders.
Okay. Yeah. I have a lifted truck, and I have to drive over the fenders to get them on. And I ran over one of the fenders and it broke.
I'm not saying I'm giving you a ticket. I'm just like,
yeah.
All right, hang tight. I'll get you out of here in a second.
I appreciate it.
Okay, so do you want the list of how bad things can go for you tonight?
Okay.
Safety requirements for towed vehicles, you have to have the chains crossed.
Okay.
That's $300.
Okay.
The fenders, out of inspection, registration, etc., etc., etc.
Okay.
All right? Check your mirror, hop out, cross your safety chains a while.
I don't know if I can because of having that other hitch on there. I can try.
All right, give it the old college try.
Yeah. Well, hats off to that guy. Really do actually appreciate that. He could have been a lot worse than what it was, and we'll talk about it at a later date. All right, guys, so I just wanted to pull over here and show you guys. Obviously, I got my lights on my truck working. I do have the lights on the trailer working. However, we did stumble across another issue, and the wiring, it actually right here just broke. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it in the reflection there. So guys, I mean, it's not like I went back out here and just, you know, didn't give it a college try or actually try to have lights and all working. We actually do have functioning lights. It's just I ended up having another misfunction. So it is what it is, guys. Let me finish getting home here, and we'll finish out this video. But I mean, thank you again to that officer. He could have been a lot meaner. As you did hear, I don't have fenders on the trailer, which you guys do know. I bought new fenders. We just hauled the Bruce yesterday. I didn't get to put the fenders on yet, so it's just, you know, it's a slow process, guys. I'm definitely trying to get everything together, and you know, it is what it is. So let's keep plugging and chugging and get back to the house. All right, guys, so there you have it. We are actually making headway. Things are coming along, and I know you guys are going to be in the comments saying, you know, just get your stuff together, make things right, get it fixed. Don't use it until you get it fixed. Well, at this point, I already ordered a wiring harness. It's actually in the Suburban. So I'm going to just replace the wiring harness from the 7-pin the whole way back to the taillights, both marker lights, everything. And I'm going to actually, you know, do a whole refresh on that trailer. So we're going to keep that trailer. It's got good axles and everything like that. As you do know, in the last couple videos, I replaced the tires on it. I did get a lot of the lights working, as you already seen, and we're working on updating everything. Also, you probably see a dishwasher here. Yesterday, this was a stainless steel dishwasher, so I got to get this thing disposed. So we're definitely making progress. I'm doing some updates in the house and some changes and everything like that. So guys, bear with me. It's just been literally one heck of a last couple weeks, but you know, it's part of growing up. It's part of being an adult. You're gonna, you know, run across some trials and some tribulations, and you're gonna have your issues. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, I can promise you I don't plan on getting pulled over anymore. Hopefully all that is over with. But if you like the content, guys, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and we got literally content for days. So look for more daily uploads, and take care, guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving, guys. I didn't think I said it at the beginning of the video, so if I didn't say it, here it is now. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.